So hi guys, I have a Magnet Lash Luxury, so I will unbox this one. Okay, so let's start. So where is the wow? So first time I'll try this eyelash magnet from Luxury. This is not sponsored. So ASMR. So let's open this. Wow! And it has a free, what is this? Free. My free. It has free. So first time I'll try this one, guys. So here is it. Let's open. Let's open. Oh my god, I don't know how to open this.
What about the
what is that? Wait guys, because I think nag-magnet na siya. Wait. I will just put
magnet pala siya?
Wow, ganda nga.
So this is gonna be the photo.
So this is the, what is this? So it's easy to absorption. Oh. No glue experience, so no need to glue. Take and off at any time. So Magnet Lash Luxury double strength magnets and 3 points, various styles to choose from, multiple reusable to use. So this is the procedure on how to put this in our eyelash. So let's open this one. I'm so excited. But I don't know if oh my god, I don't know if I don't know how to use this one. So this wow, it has a card. Wow, so wow, guys, did you see that one? So it's easy. So this is the up. So this is the up, and this is the up nga, yes. So how to put this one? So guys, just only one lang pala, guys. So dapat dalawa yung binili ko, oy. So just only one eye only. Hindi nyo naman sinabi na pair na ito, oy. So ito lang muna, guys. Sige, let's try this one. And then this one is ganyan. Okay. So this one is ana. Oh my god, it's so very kuan man. Ay, difficult. Ay, difficult. It's so very difficult. So here is the Huy! Uy, difficult and then ano guys. So, that's my Kaira, tarungan na. Oh, guys, so it's so difficult. Unsay palo nga bago pa man to? Huy ka. So it's filled. Bye guys. So I will update you soon if I buy this pair of this.